Hi, I'm Lorna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some orders that came in that I thought I would share with you. I think this is from eBay, and I want to be careful. I'm holding it up to the light because I've ordered some fingernail art, you know, like the stickers and stuff. This might be that. Okay, also found on Facebook. Okay, yep. Look at these. Let me pull this back. I have been doing little face-ups on some Blythe dolls and mini Blythe dolls, and I'd like to try a midi, which will be harder because the Blythe dolls' faces are round, but the features are more towards the middle of that, so it's hard to make it all balanced. Anyway, I've also been changing the strings, and I hope you can see this. Let me see if I can go ahead and get one out. These are 2021 charms that I thought would be really cool to put on the pull string, so that you can see what year the doll was had the face up. So I'm glad to see those. And then let's do this small package. This is from, I don't even know. We'll open it and see what I got. I always wonder, could it be a Happy Meal? Darren always says, I think you got Happy Meals. Like, oh, what did I order? I am so blessed. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate Happy Meal, and I get it all the time. I love it. Oh, look what I got. Speaking of charms, I also ordered Christmas charms to go on outfits. I like to sew these in like at the neck or waist or whatever. Put them on a little ribbon for a necklace for the smaller dolls. Isn't that cute? It says 38, I'll count them later, but those are really cute. I'm gonna need to put something down for the end card so that you can see those. Okay, this is from Aliex, and I'm hoping, it is maybe a doll. Let's see what all I got. Yep, one doll, two dolls, and stuff. Ooh, cool. I cannot believe how fast time is going, and I want to get some face-ups done and some things done on the smaller mini Blythes. I'm so in love with them. I wish these would have got here earlier. I could have used these last week. As you see, I'm buying a lot of charms. I did some, I don't know if you can see that. These are really cute. These are Nightmare Before Christmas charms. I could have used these for the outfits I just made. I'm probably going to add those in. Really cute. And they're fun, and they give the neckline or the waistline a little pop. Like I said, I also put those on ribbons for a little necklace for the dolls. I need to be careful because I don't want to cut stuff, but you got to cut these open because they're really tight, which is important. Let's see what we got here. It's not coming out. Eyes. It's eyes. I fell in love with these, and because Blythe dolls each have 4 sets of eyes per doll, I just love those. They're like pastel, rainbowish. I got a whole pack of them. I figure some of my dolls might like to have these for one of their changes. When I'm doing the face-ups, I've been changing some of the eyes as I go. I just love the Blythe dolls. I'm very in love with them. I love sewing for them, and I'm finding I really am enjoying the face-ups. Thank God I'm getting a little better at it. I'm not saying I'm great, but I am getting better at it and more confident. Oh, very cool. And for the bottom of doll clothes, especially the little dolls, and I've been sewing more for the midi Blythes, which have tiny, tiny bodies, and the mini Blythes. That'll be cute, won't it? Now, I thought it was white, but it's more of a beige. I wouldn't even call that off-white. I'd call that beige, but I like it. I like this stuff because you can gather it or not gather it. All right, let's open up these dolls and see what I got. Well, maybe. I'll cut my hand or the doll. Like I said, I'm glad they're packaged well. I really am. All right, here she is. Oh. All right. I hate this little, I do not like these in there because I want to really be sure those don't get on my floor. Okay. Oh, we got another one of those little red dresses. Those are new. Oh, look at this mauve purplish hair. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. How cute is she? Eye mechanism. Okay. Are her eyes open in there? Mm-hmm. Okay, she has sleepy eyes. The full-size Blythes, you pull a cord and their eyes change 4 times, 4 different colors and 3 different positions, left, right, center. The midi Blythes have a dial in the back and their eyes move. The mini Blythes open and shut with sleepy eyes. Darren and I, and it takes him to help me do it because I have bare paws, have been drilling holes in the back and adding strings and beads so that you can open and close the eyes. If you haven't seen that, check back in my videos. These are really cute. Their heads move. I wish their heads were up more, like they have that downward head, which is typical for a Blythe. They have the 5-point articulation, but their little legs are bent like the old, well, it's not really bend and snap. It is a wire, but it really does give them a little bit of motion. And Darren has made a model, which is a pattern, for little sandals for them, little mules, and it's real cute. I'll get her some made. And if you haven't seen those, that too is in our past videos. Okay, let's see what the other girl looks like. Who doesn't love to get a doll in the mail? Yep, it is who I expected. Oh, how cute. Another staple. Let me pull this out carefully because I like to keep these little packets in the head thing or little netted bags because it makes a nice presentation and you can store stuff in it. Well, I don't want to tear this. Give me just a second here. Okay, put those together so they get properly disposed of. Put them in the recycling. I keep dish detergent. I use that, not dish, laundry detergent pods, and I keep those and we set them in the sunroom, which is like a mud room, and we put all of our metal stuff in it, even the small stuff. So we get that off to the recycling. Look at this hair. Oh my God, I love her. Yep, the eyes work. And it looks like red is the new color they come out with. Oh my God, I can't wait to do her. Oh, she's so cute. And it's got a little cat on her little dress, which I don't hate, and a little bow on this one. If you receive these little Blythe dolls and you don't have other clothes for them, here's what I have done. I take these off. I lay this down as a pattern. I actually made a pattern out of a cardboard box so that it's stiff, but you can put that around fabric, cut your little armholes out very, very carefully, take fray check all the way around and especially the armholes and add a snap or Velcro. And you have a little outfit that you can change in. With the small prints, you can actually do holiday outfits, and you can do other things too. Use that to make a top and a skirt, or a top and then draw around your doll for pants. You can do all kinds of stuff. I am in love with these mini Blythe dolls. Again, I say I've really been crafting for them, and it's a challenge for me because I have bear paws, and they're just fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you have or would like to have the miniature Blythes, and subscribe.